Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name is Dean Ashton, and this afternoon we're going to take a quick look at our 2019 Sea Ray 210 SPX outboard. This boat is equipped with the Sea Ray blue hull sides, bimini top. It does come equipped with the tandem axle trailer. As we make our way to board the boat, you'll see we've powered this boat with the Mercury 154 stroke. At the transom of the boat, we have a nice sun pad with a flip-up backrest, so give you aft-facing seating. Nice L-shaped seating configuration. Port side, you have a captain's chair as well as at the helm, with an additional jump seat behind the captain's chair on the port side. We've added the upgraded Infinity woven carpet liner in brown. This boat does have the stainless steel package. One of the really nice features about this boat being an outboard is the amount of storage that you pick up. Gas strut assisted, very deep. At the helm, this boat is equipped with the 5-inch Simrad flush mounted GPS and depth finder. You have your Fusion stereo. This boat does have the dune interior, which is tan with chocolate trim. A nice vinyl wrapped glove box. Storage. Nice wraparound seating in the bow. This does have Fusion stereo speakers, as well as the Fusion stereo. And that's a nice quick look at our 2019 Sea Ray 210 SPX outboard. If you'd like to check out this boat or any of the other inventory we have in stock, ask for me, Dean Ashton. Be happy to help you out.